Are you drinking it all?
Katie, bring it back up.
I want burn. You're squishing my leg.
Show me the dollar. Show me the dollar, guys.
It says boner.
I know, I wrote it.
I know, it's pretty funny.
Go, Katie.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Rip one. Gosh, rip one.
Oh my god, here it is.
Okay, hold on. Go, Katie.
No. What's coming?
Go, Faith.
Oh. I need Pepsi. I need straight Pepsi. You go get some right there. Now good one.
What? Let me see what you're drawing.
Writing boner better.
Let me see.
Hold on, I'm not done yet.
What? Say.
Call it bowling. Do you have 10-pound balls?
So take a picture. I mean,
Oh my gosh. Katie, rip one.
I burped louder than that.
Okay, just rip one then.
I have to go pee.
Go pee.
Okay.
Rylan farts really good, and you burp really good, so it's all good. It's a big smash. Good. There you go. Big smash. Great. Hey.
That's nice.
That was good.
I can't.
Katie, come on, Katie.
Dude, someone give me.
I burp a lot louder than that, I'll tell you that right now. Rylan farts a lot louder than that.
Ew.
Rylan farts a lot.
They burp and they fart, but their kid is going to be burping and farting.
It's a Starbucks.
Oh, you drank my whole thing!
Record my feet.
Face record.
Oh, fuck this.
Slam it.
Get in front of me. It's recording. Flat ass.
Ew, wait, that's disgusting.
All that at once would have been great.
That one was short. Bert.
Not big. Slam it all. Let me see your zebra thing. Slam it all and burp really, really big. Can I see your zebra thing? What? Yeah, you would have a zebra thing, Aaron. I would. Nicole, you heard
It's a man bag.
What time? This is nothing, right?
Say bye, Katie. Rip one.
Yes.
I'm telling you. Say bye, Katie. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.